Hey everyone, we want to show you something real cool. We're in Bishop, California at Laws Railroad Museum, and watch this. You can be your own train engineer, see? And ring a bell. So you guys should come on down here. It's really cool. There's a lot of other villages throughout the area here, and we'll show you a couple of clips. So just go ahead and look.
Okay. Antique tool. I have a picture of the gas station. Oh my goodness. It's definitely a tiny house. Is this where they kept